I weigh 250 pounds, and I'm on my feet all day long. I work in a warehouse, and I wear the same shoes for 9 hours a day, 40 hours a week. Years of wearing unsupportive shoes and my weight got me to a point where I was unable to walk after my shift. My podiatrist diagnosed me with plantar fasciitis and suggested orthopedic shoes or custom orthotics, both of which were going to cost me more than $500 here in the clinic, with no guarantee of relief. I decided to test out a few shoes and insoles that can support heavy people, but that didn't help much and immediately started wearing out after a few weeks. Just when I was about to give those expensive options a shot, a friend raved about ComfortWear's Ortho Stretch cushion shoes. She had faced similar challenges, and these shoes were her saving grace. I was skeptical, but gave them a try. To say they transformed my life would be an understatement. The arch support, the heel cushioning, and the overall design are sheer perfection for someone like me. My plantar fasciitis gradually healing. The added bonus? No more aching knees or sore lower back after a full day of standing and walking. In the first month alone, I bought another 2 pairs. Not only are they stylish, but they also offer unmatched comfort. They've outlasted and outperformed any shoe or insole I've tried, and at a fraction of the cost. I have a pair for work, for running errands, and now for my daily walks outside. The genuine cherry on top? ComfortWear supports initiatives promoting body positivity and women's health. Their values align with mine, making me proud to wear their brand. And with a 45-day money-back guarantee, there's zero risk. If they don't transform your feet like they did mine, you can return them, no questions asked. So, to my fellow curvy women who need more than just a shoe, but a lifeline for their feet, ComfortWear's Ortho Stretch cushion shoes are waiting for you. Trust me, they're a game changer.